Hey guys, here's our South Carolina regions notes from today in case you missed any of the blanks or just want to go over this again as a study tool. So first and foremost, South Carolina has 6 regions. The first region we're going to talk about is the Blue Ridge region, the tiniest region of the 6. It's located in the northwestern part of our state. The tallest mountain in this region is Sassafras Mountain, and that is a part of the Appalachian mountain chain, which goes up the east coast. And this region is known for logging. Here's a picture of Sassafras Mountain. And then the Blue Ridge Mountains, which make up the Appalachian mountain chain. And you can see the blue hue that they give off, which gives them their name. The Appalachian mountain chain just barely scrapes into South Carolina's border and continues up all the way through parts of Canada. The second region we're going to learn about today is the Piedmont region. This is the largest of the 6 regions when we're looking at the inner and outer coastal plains being separate. Piedmont is French for foot of the mountain, which is an appropriate title since it is the base of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Once you get into the Piedmont region, you'll see some gently rolling hills. And also lots of textile mills, and we'll talk about that later on as we learn about South Carolina history. And this region is known for growing peaches and also has a strong logging industry. Picture of those rolling mountains or rolling hills as you approach the mountains. And then a textile mill in Greenville. The third region is the Sandhills, and this is going to be the dividing line between the intercoastal plain and the Piedmont. This region has sandy soil, and that is because the ocean used to reach this point in our state many, many, many years ago. We know this because scientists have found fossils of sea creatures. There is a fall line in between the Sandhills and the Piedmont region, and that is where a river drops suddenly into a waterfall. Here's a picture where you can see kind of that sandy soil. And then that fall line, which really is the dividing line between the upcountry and the low country. Columbia, our state capital, sits along this fall line. The next 2 regions we're going to talk about are the inner and outer coastal plain. When these plains are combined to make the coastal plain, it is the largest region in our state. The intercoastal plain is going to be more forested, or the outer, and also have the best soil. When you think agriculture, I want you to think the coastal plains. Known for growing cotton, wheat, and soybeans. The outer coastal plain has lots of rivers, streams, and swamps. And canals were dug between these rivers to connect them so that boats can carry supplies easily from place to place. And we live in the outer coastal plain. And like I mentioned a moment ago, when those 2 plains are connected and considered one, it is the largest region. Crops, again, agriculture is really, really popular in this region. And then here's just a picture of a river from the outer coastal plain. The coastal zone is the last region we're going to talk about today. Lots and lots of beaches and islands. Tourism is, very important to this region. Over 15 million people a year visit this region. Charleston's here. Myrtle Beach is here. Lots of marshlands and swamps. And it is home to Charleston, like I mentioned a moment ago. And hurricanes are a constant threat. Here are some images from downtown Charleston. And then here are the miles of beaches that you will see in this region.